Guys, you guys, you guys, I am loving it. You guys, look at my basil, guys. Look at my basil. Look at my basil. I'm blessed. My basil is doing great. I'm gonna be plucking it. I'll use it for a delicious stew. Delicious stew. I just want to show you how my bitter leaves are doing. They are growing. Guys, don't mind me. Oh, I'm feeling good. You guys, look at this stem. Can you see this stem? See how healthy. I love when my bitter leaf stem is this healthy. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at my cocoyams. My cocoyams are doing. They are doing. Look at my lemon. My lemons are doing. My lemongrass is doing so good. I'm here to wet my garden, guys. Just want to wet my garden. Those peppers are coming nicely. Just here to wet my garden. This is for my compost. And look at, I have scent leaf coming up here. Yeah, so I just have to wet it also. Guys, look at my okra. Oh, guys, I feel so blessed. Look at those beautiful okras. Like, it's not even, I mean, look at my okra. Look at the okras. Oh my God, I feel so blessed. Look at the height, very small but mighty. Isn't this amazing? Now let me show you something beautiful. Look at my tomatoes. Isn't this beautiful? I am so loving it. I feel so blessed. My water leaves are coming. I'm going to try and do something about my water leaf tomorrow because I want a lot of water leaves. Look at those okras. Guys, those okras are doing great. See, my tomatoes are coming. I feel so blessed. This looks like the tiny bit like the cherry tomatoes. See, it's two different species. Can you see? Can you see this is a different species? This is from the scratch. This was compost tomatoes. And see how blessed it's giving. These are just compost tomatoes. Look at what it's doing. Isn't God amazing? Did I tell you guys I planted garlic? This is my garlic. I hope God helps me. This is the first time I'm planting garlic though. Yeah. So these are the first peppers I planted. I just pray God that they come out nicely. I just pray God honestly that they survive. I pray God they sustain. I just pray God they sustain. Yeah, so far so good. Everything is looking good here for real. Like, oh my God, this year is going to be amazing. When I do the first harvesting of my bitter leaves, I'm going to let you guys see it. But yeah, I just came here to wet my garden. All right, guys, to tell you guys that God is good. God is good all the time. All the time, our God is good. My cantaloupe is coming nicely. Yes. Hopefully we are going to eat cantaloupe. Guys, let me quickly wet this. And then I'll go in. I'm cooking. I just want to show you guys. Stay blessed, guys. So I'm going to wet my okra. Just going to wet everything like so.